Hello everyone and welcome to Neoswing Compound Moves episode 4. Today I will show you a move that I use quite a lot because it's cool, it's relatively simple, and it doesn't even require a lot of energy. So let's watch it right away. As always, let's start with the legs. And here all you need to do is a basic butterfly shuffle. So you start in this position and you lift one foot like this, so not like this, but like this. And then you put it back where it was. Meanwhile, the other foot turns around the top, like this. And if you put everything together, here is how it looks. And 1. Then you flip the movement to the other side, so this time I lift this foot and I turn this foot around the top. And so I do and 2. And then you continue like this, so you do and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And that's it. So let me show it to you from the back. And here is how it looks. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay? Now let's move on with the arms. The arms are a bit more tricky, but not too much. So let's try and understand what's the basic idea. So you start in this position and you do and 1, so a basic spin. And notice that now your arms form a 90-degree angle. So in theory, if you turn them at the same speed, you should be able to keep this 90-degree angle. In fact, you do this and 2. Now let me tell you 2 things you have to keep in mind. The first one is both arms turn in the same sense, but since they start in different positions, they end up in different positions. And the second thing is, while you turn your arms, you have to put them towards your body and then you have to extend them. So here I put them towards my body and then I extend. If you can't do this movement, it's fine. Just practice with one arm at a time. So you do this with your left arm, you go up and down, up and down, and then you do this movement with the right arm, which is the same movement, but you go first down and up, then down and up. And guess what? Well, if you put them together, you obtain this move, which is what we wanted. Once you manage to do this move, you are almost done because, well, all I did in my dance clip was this. So I started in this position and I did and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Now one thing I have to say is, don't worry if you don't manage to straighten your arms completely when you do this movement fast. I mean when you do and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, because it's a quick movement and nobody is gonna really notice. But make sure you put a lot of tension and a lot of energy in these static positions. So when you do and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, okay? That's important. Now let's put legs and arms back together and we will do it slowly. So we start in this position and we do and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And that's it. So I'd say that we're done for today. I really hope you enjoyed the video and see you in the next episode.